Kapten bilin.
Ay, bebe. Hug sa si Papa.
Augs.
Bugis nyo ta. Hindi naman kakabarog, bebe ay. Bebe. Videohin may bebe. Yang papa ni mo. Ano? Smile. Smile sa. Ay, sige maghilak-hilak. Oy, ganun sige maghilak-hilak. Arahot la kon nag-tanaw ni TV kon sa siya ton Jayadas.
Agay, nung samliwan ni battery.
Won pa kana. Bogod. Sanam na be. Sige hilak.
In the dim sum kitchen, Chef Joe Ng creates 40 different selections every day. In China, these tiny treats are considered to be a snack, the same way that tacos are in Spain. One of the main categories of dim sum is the steamed dumpling. These are stuffed with fresh ingredients like shrimp and snow peas. And steamed for They are looking at me. I don't know if I can
No time.
These are really cute.
Okay.
How much would it look like?
Here. Wala. Na ako dahil agad ko.
Sus na hard noon. Very hard.
Every little dim sum is sort of a visual surprise. On top of that, it tastes so good.
Banga aning dento eh.
Crunch, like the smoothness of the shrimp, and so colorful. Okay, let's try these pork and crab meat dumplings. I'm gonna dip this in the ginger sauce, and then all my nuts. Oh my god! When you bite into the dumpling, the soup basically comes out of the dumpling.
Lihat, buang. Over-exage kay Busurya ba? Ni kaon. Ulami. Kau rin ginahan na, Bart.
Kayata.
Lo kayo ito magmanok. Kita ka?
Battery.
Kita ka magmanok? Oo. Pagpurma ba? Naitiil?
Oh, cool! See?
Chocolate lagi lang fortune cookies.
Eating the fortune cookies. You know what? I've even got a little fortune here. A difference to be a difference. Must make a difference.
Ready na sila. Nakaw na may. Ito na may sa mall.
Kaya sa...
Short. Ilis sa Art.
In New York City. And I've sampled the best food in the Big Apple. From Brooklyn's favorite pizza
Ay.
to the